Hello! In my last video, di ba nakita man ninyo nga nagpamatuod ang akong estudyante who is living in Finland with her husband. Nagpakita nga naagyod si Santa Claus. Karon, in this video, you will be able to know on how to reach him. So, para sa nay mga bata diha, kung ganahan mo magpadala og letter ni Santa Claus, pwede jud kaayo. So, view my video and you'll be able to reach Santa.
No.
But there are lots of letters.
Okay.
How about if we'll try to write some, if we're going to write a letter for Santa and then we'll ask for a toy. The problem is what address in Finland.
No, just put North Pole.
No, North Pole, Santa Claus
Village.
Village.
Oh, North Pole, Santa Claus Village. 30, ah.
Finland.
Oh, kinsa ning
Finland.
manawagan ko ani sa sa Facebook. Oh, kinsa tong ganahan magpadala og kuan letter ni Santa Claus pwede ra.
But the most problem is that how Santa will answer you. Because you don't have here any address.
Oh,
How about you put that?
number and the address.
I mean, how,
Telephone number.
How Santa Claus will answer you?
By
So,
letter again.
Yeah, but how? Where she sent that one?
No, when you write a letter, you will put also your address
a
down.
return address.
Address.
Or even if
Contact me here. Santa, contact me here.
even if he's not going to send us a gift, basta kay, so for example, I'm going to put my number there and then Santa will just call me, that'll be very fine already.
He speak English, no?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Oh?
you're talking.
No, but I talk in Finnish. I know, he speak in English.
No.
Yeah. Because they don't speak there in English.
Ah,
Finish.
Finnish.
Finnish. So, Santa is going to speak Finnish.
Yes, we're speaking
Finnish.
English.